Thing on it, I don't start it.
It's backpack.
Not mine, but
On the table back there.
who is that?
I don't see nothing.
I can go back here and check, see if it fell off or something. Maybe the tag might be back here.
That's Paula.
That's Polly?
That's Paul. Where did you pull it out?
Oh, is this yours?
No. You like the arch up here? Oh. What's that? Oh.
I ain't got too many wigs. Pretty fast.
The reason why I'm fumbling around with this weed is because I'm trying to figure out if I actually want it. Weeds, about a year or two ago, during the pandemic, all gaming stuff was going for crazy money, and things are kind of slowed down a lot, especially for weeds. And I just don't know if I want to buy it. Now, it's kind of dirty. I don't know if it works. It's just one of those things. And I'm thinking to myself, well, if she gives me a low, low price, then I might take it. I'm talking about super low because let me see what weeds are going for right now. Okay, see, right now, weeds are going for, let's see, condos, 79. See, and that's for a bunch of stuff right there. 79.99. See, I'm saying, see, 80 for that's not even a weed. What are these? See, a console 35.99 just for the console. $48. And let's look, that has about exactly what I have right there for $48. And I think that's free shipping.
Nobody just doesn't know the neighborhood,
How much for the
probably.
weed? Any of y'all work here? I'll go over there.
We, the we, ah, 15.
$15?
I still don't know.
Oh my gosh, it's a mermaid tail. A mermaid tail. Thank you, love.
How much for the Santa?
$5.
$5. All right.
Don't you want to haggle with me?
I was gonna ask you how much for the Santa and the weed together.
I owe somebody $7.
Will you do 15 for both of them? Sometimes in weed, I got a weed before, and I just didn't know if it worked. Do you know if it worked or not?
Oh yeah.
It does work. Okay.
I'd do 18 for both.
18 for both. Let's do it. I can't haggle with you too much. Let me see. I might have 18 for you. You got $2? One.
No, I got $1.
But I might have it for you. Let me see.
The fact that she said that, I probably should have negotiated a little bit more on that. I guess, like, she said 15 for the weed. I was just trying to throw the Santa Claus in the weed. See, my thing is when somebody gives me a price and I'm not too sure for it, I usually don't say yay or nay yet. I usually try to find something else, bundle them together, and see if I can get a cheaper price. She just happened to say, you're not going to haggle with me for a minute. And I was going to haggle with her. I mean, I felt good getting it at 15, but she said 18, and I was cool with that.
1, 2, 3. That's 15. Yeah, I got it. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Thank you. Let me get you a bag.
I appreciate it.
Pay for the helmet. She paid her for it. It's okay. It's all right.
I'm sorry
It's all
about
right.
that. I'm breaking stuff on the way out. Ain't How much for those hats? It was like some hats. Oh no, man, they took
Oh,
them.
I put them over
Oh,
there.
okay. How much are those?
I don't know. 50 cents.
Okay.
They usually get that truck ready.
You take both of these. Give you an extra $1 there. There you go. I appreciate it. Xbox X. Yeah.
Is there prices on them?
There's 6 on here.
Okay.
Will you take 5 of these?
They're not mine, so.
Oh, they're not?
She's walking over here, though.
Oh, okay.
I doubt she will, though.
Bruh.
You can ask her, though. That's her in there, right there.
I'm walking over.
Those are all dollars.
All these movies. Will you take 5 of these? Both of these?
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
I wasn't making that.
You're a smart woman. That's what you're supposed to do. I appreciate it.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Good. I got 5. I said spit 5.
All right, there you go. Got it right back. I appreciate it. Y'all take it easy. You too.
She tried to doubt me. Tell me, oh, I doubt she'll take $5. Come on, bruh. She forgot who I was, right? Nah, I'm just playing. She didn't know. But shout out to the woman for taking it. They were 6. I only took $1 off. I just wanted to give her a solid 5. I don't know. Sometimes just getting, even if it's a 50-cent deal, at least I'm getting the deal. And I feel like I really did something, right? Maybe $6 off of the 5. She took the 5 to 2 games. I went through all those games, and I'm at the place now to where I'm trying not to get no junk, right? I probably would have bought all those games back in the day. I would have said, how much for them all? But I got a bunch of games I know that's not even worth $1. You understand what I'm saying? So I'm trying to get the gems out of all the stuff. Like, it was a lot of stuff there that I probably could have got, but it is what it is. Sometimes I walk through. If something catches my eye, I buy it. That's kind of just where I'm at now. And I'll talk about that a little later. But I think I went to one more yard sale, so let's see what I got.
How much for the backpack?
I did that way myself. Well, I got that right.
I didn't have anything on it at all, so I didn't
Big
know.
backpack.
Not mine, but
Is there pies on
Thank
there?
you so much.
I didn't see one.
I don't see it on here. It might have been on it. Came off.
Might have fell off on the table back there.
What is that?
I don't see nothing.
I can go back there and check, see if it fell off or something. Maybe the tag might be back there.
That's Paula.
That's Polly?
That's Paula. Where did Paula?
Polly, is this yours?
No. I think that might be Mackenzie's.
What you got, hon?
This is 75 cents.
Okay.
Oh.
We don't know. There's no tag, nothing on it.
Who's?
$2 on a letter roll. I think it might be Mackenzie's. I'm not for sure.
Paula, are these yours?
No, they're mine.
No, that's Jesse's.
They were 75 cents on the box.
Okay.
Yeah. Yep.
And these are probably Neil's?
$2?
Yeah, let's go for $2.
I appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.
Y'all take it easy.
To be $2.75.
Hey, I almost didn't get the backpack because they didn't know where this thing came from. I guess I could have put it on my back and just walked off because they didn't know where the backpack came from, right? Anyway, it's all good. I can understand families get together, people bring stuff from everywhere. So they probably just didn't know whose it was. But people was clueless, man. They asked everybody, and everybody was like, I don't know. And finally, some girl shouted out $2. They still didn't know if they wanted to sell it for $2. So finally I said, hey, $2? And he was like, yeah, $2. I was like, all right, cool. Now, if Mackenzie or whoever comes back and is like, hey, I wanted 10 for that, then, hey, sorry for your luck. But speaking of the backpack, let's go over some of the things. Backpack right here. It was an interesting backpack. I never seen anything before, but apparently, I guess this brand Mad Pack right there is a good brand, and they have some backpacks that go for some pretty good money. I should get about $25 or $30 for this, and I paid $2. It's in great condition, so shout out to me. I don't have any girls, or I would let them have. Actually, my boys are probably want this, even though it's pink, so I don't know. We'll see. I got the Wii. Y'all seen the Wii. The Wii, I can get about the Wii by itself, if it works. Hold up. Let's plug it in and see if there's a game inside. Let's do that. Who does that? The Hurry Tornado? Do I have a plug over here? Let's plug this up and see if we can find a game. Let's see if we got a game. How do you plug it up? All right, the moment of truth. Let's see if there's a game in there. Eject. No game. Well, at least we know it works. Oh, there's a game. Ho, ho, ho. And it's a GameCube game. Even better. Oh, my God. Listen. You're not going to believe the game that's in here. If you know, you know. Can y'all see that? Super Smash Brothers. This is a great game. Flawless condition. Hold up, let me show y'all this. Super Smash Brothers. Let's look. Let me look this up so y'all know exactly what I'm talking about. This is actually a great game. Let me bring this up. Give y'all some context. Let me see. GameCube. Okay, let's go down the line. I got game only. Look, $45 right there. Yes, sir. Look, there you go. $49.99 this only. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. So there was even a big come. That was a big come up right there. Rapper Santa goes for about $25 if it works. All right, so this is a good buy. $125, $18 to $125. I say that's a good deal, right? Got these two hats. The property of Kentucky, and this is a Harley Davidson Miller Lite collab vintage hat. This right here is a $15, $20 hat. I looked that up. This one right here, I couldn't find this exact one, but all my Kentucky hats usually do pretty good because I live in Kentucky, and the good thing about living in Kentucky is that Kentucky has a great basketball team, and their stuff goes pretty quick online because there's a lot of Kentucky fans in the United States. Well, worldwide, I guess. So got those two hats. They was 50 cents a piece. I left one hat there. I don't know if you seen it. It was a Kentucky hat. It was a vintage hat, but man, that thing smelled like onions. It smelled bad. It felt so bad that I left it. That's if it usually I get stuff. I don't care if it's dirty or not, but that hat. And that's it. I went to a couple other sales, but I'm not gonna talk about them right now. I'm gonna save those for another video. One thing I did want to talk about is that I find myself being a lazy garage sale goer. All right. Now, when I say lazy, not lazy as far as like I'm not grinding because I'm grinding. I'm out there Friday, Saturday, and if they having them on Sundays, sometimes Thursdays. You know what I'm saying? I'm at these yard sales and these state sales and stuff like that. I always have boots on the ground. You understand what I'm saying? What I mean about lazy is that in the beginning, I would go to these sales and I look things up. You know what I'm saying? I spend time, I find something I've never seen before, look it up, get educated, figure stuff out. So next time I go, I don't have to do a lot of research because I know exactly what that is. I find myself now walking through, and if something doesn't catch my eye, I keep it moving instead of sitting there and trying to figure out, what certain things is that I don't know about. You know what I'm saying? Because I could be passing up a lot of money, and I'm sure I do pass up a lot of money. Today, it was one of those days where I just walked through. I'm sure some of y'all probably was looking in the background, like, "Hey, why don't you get that? Get that? Get that? Get that?" Pressed for time today. It has a lot to do with it, and I've been pressed for time a lot here lately. Being, that I got the kids. I work night shift, day shift, stuff like that. So a lot of times when I'm going to these yard sales at 8 o'clock in the morning, I've just gotten off at 6 or I'm about to go to work, and I just be tired. And I be like, "Look, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get a couple of things and keep it moving." Another thing is that I got a big storage unit full of stuff. And every time I'm about to pick up something, I think about all the storage unit full of stuff that's not listed, which is like 90%. I posted a couple pictures in the Discord the other day of my storage unit. Look at this. Look at this. That's my storage unit full of stuff that's not listed. You know what I'm saying? So when I'm out and about, I think of that. I'd be like, "Man, look, I'm not gonna go crazy. I'm just gonna pick out the gems and let's go." So I think that has a lot to do with it. But I need to get out of this lazy garage seller goer and get back on the grind like I usually do. But another thing, I need to go and list all that stuff in my storage unit. All right. Now, this video is getting too long. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Link in the description to the Discord. Please follow the Discord. I'm about to do a giveaway. I got a bunch of Tesla Picker hoodies. Fall's coming. I'm about to give away at least 5 or 6 of those. So follow the Discord because that's gonna be, I'm gonna do the giveaway in the Discord. All right. So with all that being said, y'all be good. Peace.